I just wanted to make a quick video for you to help you with the research and regression project in case you needed it. A couple people had asked, where do I go to get this research? So if you just open up Google and you type in college enrollment in Ohio, one of the very first links that will pop up says data and reports enrollment Ohio higher ed. So if you hit that particular website gives you a whole bunch of data. So if you come down, you scroll down a little bit, it has, fall 2000 to 2007, fall 2008 to 2018, and then if you go down even farther, it gives 1999 to 2008, 2000 to 2009. You only need 8 data points. So if I open this one, for example, and I scroll down a few pages, if you look here, okay, so this says Ohio enrollment total. This is, and so 1999, the total enrollment was 429,276. In 2000, the total enrollment was 428,854. So you could use 8 of these points, or you could use a different set of years. You only need 8 data points. Now, the second question that I had been asked with this is, how do you insert a scatter plot into Google Docs? The easiest way to do that is probably to use Google Sheets. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So I'm just going to go to my Google Drive and open up a new Google Sheets. So I'm not going to type in the data that you have, but you want to put labels on your data. So for example, if I put in like year and enrollment, and I type in some random stuff like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, for example. And I type in, and this is not the data that you're looking at. I was just typing in random data here so that you know how to get a scatter plot into Google Docs. Google Sheets is great to help you get and so again, I'm just making up data right now. All right, so let's say that's the data that I had. So if you highlight this data and you go to Insert Chart, it will insert a chart and it will guess what kind of chart you want. Now this is a line chart, but I really want a scatter plot. So if you look here, here is a picture of a scatter chart or a scatter plot. So you can click that. You can change, you can remove, add labels, and you can customize this. If for some reason you get here and you're like, oh, I need to fix this scatter plot, and look how nice it is for me. When I highlight the titles, it even puts them on my graph for me. And it has an x-axis and a y-axis on there for me. If you need to change this, once it's already there, you go to these 3 dots and you can say Edit Chart, and it will allow you to edit that. Okay. To get it, to get it into your Google Docs, you can either copy this, so just make a copy of it. So you could make a copy, and then you could go to the Google Doc that you're working on. I'm just going to go to a new Google Doc here. And then you could paste it. And it'll say link to spreadsheet or paste unlinked. You can do either one. And if you paste that in there, it will paste in your scatter chart. One other way is it does say file download. So you could download this as PDF or something else if you wanted to as well. But the easiest way is probably just copy your scatter chart and then paste it into your Google Doc. So hopefully that helped you guys out. Thanks.